mga masters! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At kung sama kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, syempre hayaan niyo muna akong batiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At welcome po sa ating Master Worm Health Trivias. Bago pa tayo magsimula ay hingin ko muna ang inyong thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel Master Worm for more updated contents. At sana po ay naka-full bell notification po kayo para always kayong updated sa aking channel. So ngayong araw na ito mga masters ay continuation po ito ng ating topic kahapon. Pero ibang concept naman po ito. This is about the stages of sleep. So ang tanong po dito is what happens in a normal sleep cycle? So ano ba yung nangyayari kung sa ating pagtulog? So meron tayong 4. So ang pinaka first 3 is what we call the non-rapid eye movement stages. And then or tinatawag na non-REM or NREM. And then to be followed by 1 rapid eye movement. To simplify po mga masters, ito po yung kanyang cycle. So as you can see sa lowest left, ang stage 1 o tinatawag na N1. And then it goes to the yellow, which is the stage 2 or N2. And then blue, stage 3 or N3 or deep sleep. And then ang stage 4, which is the rapid eye movement sleep. Each plays a part in allowing you to wake up refreshed. So ito pong 4 na to na mga stages ay may mga important role po ito para sa atin para pag kinabukasan, pag gising po natin ay feeling refreshed po tayo. Understanding the sleep cycle also helps explain how certain sleep disorders like including insomnia, obstructive sleep apnea can impact a person's sleep and health. And today's topic po ay iikot-ikot muna tayo. We will just give descriptions kung ano po ito. Isa-isahin natin ang 4 na mga stages of sleep. So let's start sa ating stage 1 or N1. Okay, so it occurs when a person first falls asleep and usually lasts 1 to 7 minutes. During this stage, the body hasn't fully relaxed, though the body and brain activities start to slow with periods of brief movement. So nagsuslow down na po siya pero hindi pa siya fully relaxed. So may mga light changes na po siya sa brain activity. So associated with falling asleep in this stage. So dahan-dahan na po siya, may mga changes na po siya sa ating brain. And it is easy to wake up someone up during this phase of sleep. So pwede pa siya or pwede pa nating i-wake up o gisingin yung taong natutulog na nasa stage 1 pa lang. But if a person isn't disturbed, they can move quickly into stage 2. So pag hindi po siya after 7 minutes na hindi po siya na-disturb, ay pwede na po siyang mag-proceed sa stage 2. As the night unfolds, an uninterrupted sleeper may not spend much more time in stage 1 as they move through further sleep cycles. Basta tahimik lang po at wala pong interruption, yung natutulog po ay mas madali pong mag-continue at mag-proceed po sa next na mga stages or sa next cycles. So let's proceed po sa stage 2 or N2. So the body enters a more subdued state where the body temperature drops. Medyo lumalamig na medyo ng konti yung ating katawan. So when we say drop, ay nagko-cool down po siya. When we say goes up, ay nagiging mainit po ang katawan. Okay? So here, the temperature drops, the muscles relax, and the heart rate and the breathing becomes slower. And sa stage na ito mga masters, ang eye movement stops and the brain activity slows. And then, though there are short bursts of activities that may help you resist being woken up by external stimuli. And so medyo tinutulungan na po ng katawan natin ito ng brain natin na hindi tayo magigising. 'Di ba? Para hindi tayo magising. This stage can last up to 10 to 25 minutes during the first sleep cycle. Kasi hindi lang po ito one cycle, ha? Okay, and each N2 stage can become longer during the night. So, ilang beses po ito mauulit yung cycle. Collectively, a person can typically spends about half their sleep time in N2 sleep. So, sa habang tayo ay natutulog, ilang stages po yan or ilang cycles po yan. Usually, ang N2 ang pinakamahabang stage ng ating pagtulog. Let's proceed po sa stage 3 or tinatawag nating N3 or the deep sleep level. So it's harder to wake someone up if they are in this phase. Mas mahirap na pong gisingin pag umabot na po ng stage 3 ang taong natutulog. At this time, ang mga muscle tone, mga pulso or pulse, and the breathing rate decrease in this stage sa N3 na sleep. And brain activity has an identifiable pattern of what are known as the delta waves. Ayun po yung mga delta waves po yan mga masters. And stage 3 may also be called the delta sleep or the slow wave sleep or SWS. Tandaan po ninyo ito ha, na SWS or slow wave sleep po ang tawag sa stage 3. Experts believe that this stage is critical to restorative sleep, allowing for body recovery and growth. Ito po ang pinaka-importante sa lahat dahil dito po ay nagre-recover ang ating katawan. It may also bolster the immune system and other key bodily processes. And then even though brain activity is reduced, there's evidence that deep sleep contributes to insightful thinking, which refers to the ability to understand complex situations or problems in a deep and meaningful way. So ito po ay gumagana pala yung ating utak. Dito pala yung nagiging scientist or nagiging inventor o nagiging creative ang ating utak. So very important pala ito, ang stage 3 mga masters. And you spend the most time in deep sleep during the first half of the night. So first half of the night, siguro mga first 4 hours yun mga masters. Sa ano natin, di ba? So during the early sleep cycles, N3 stages commonly last for 20 to 40 minutes. So mahaba-haba po siya, pero as the sleep progresses mga masters, ay nagiging shorter na po siya and more time gets spent in REM or REM sleep instead. Siyempre, ito na po yung ating fourth stage or ang sinatawag nating rapid eye movement sleep or REM. The brain activity picks up nearing levels seen when you're awake. Parang gising ka na po dito pero tulog ka pa rin. Sa oras na ito mga masters, the body experiences atonia. Ang ibig sabihin po ng atonia is temporary paralysis of the muscles. With 2 exceptions. Okay, nagpaparalyze yung muscles mo, temporary paralyzation of your muscles, but the eyes and the muscles that control the breathing are still active at still okay pa siya. So hindi po paralyzed yung iyong eye movement and hindi po paralyzed yung iyong lung or breathing control. Even though they're closed, the eyes move rapidly, which is how this stage gets its name. So, ang pangalan po nito ay rapid eye movement. Kahit po ay sarado po yung ating mga mata, ay gumagalaw po ito yung ating mata sa loob. And of course, this stage is believed to be essential to cognitive functions like memory. And ang REM na sleep is also known for most vivid dreams. Ang ibig sabihin ng vivid po is intense. Yung mga realistic na mga dreams that feel very, very real and are easily remembered upon waking. Eh, diba, meron pa kayong mga panaginip dyan na naaalala nyo? Kung minsan ay parang totoo talaga. Dito po nangyayari sa REM na sleep stage ang vivid dreams, which are or is explained by the significant uptick in the brain activity. Yung dreams actually is pwede mo siyang ma-experience sa any stages, but lesser lang po siya, less common and less intense lang po siya during the non-rapid eye movement periods. Dito talaga po siya nagiging vivid sa stage 4 o yung ating REM sleep stage. Under normal circumstances, you don't enter a REM sleep until you've been asleep for about 90 minutes. So kailangan talaga na lumampas ka ng 90 minutes na tulog para maabot mo talaga ito yung rapid eye movement na stage. As the night goes on, REM stage gets longer, especially in the second half of the night. Mas humahaba po yung REM compared sa ibang other stages. Well, the first REM stage may last only a few minutes. Later stages can last for around an hour. In total, REM stages make up around 25% of sleep sa mga matatanda or in adults. So mas mahaba-haba po talagang REM na stage as the sleep progresses. So in a typical night, a person goes through 4 to 6 sleep cycles. So from N1, N2, N3, and then REM, babalik naman po yan hanggang sa makakompleto ka po ng 4 to 6 sleep cycles. Not all sleep cycles are the same length, but an average they last about 90 minutes each. So ibig sabihin, yung 4 na stages na ito can happen in 90 minutes. So kung 4 to 6 times po ito, syempre mga 6 to 8 hours na sleep din po yung kailangan po natin. Alright mga masters, at hindi na po tayo tatagal pa dahil lumampas po tayo ng 12 minutes. I hope this lesson today na meron kayong na-learn at please understand this because this will really help us with our health. At kung meron kayong mga kaibigan dyan or family member na may sakit, please wag mag-atubili na i-share talaga ito para po tayo ay lahat mag-benefit. Kita-kits ulit bukas mga masters at meron pala tayong Premier Marathon mamaya sa Bahay Kulitan. Again, this is your one and only Master Worm and God is great. Yahoo!